Hi, I'm Corinne Cahill, the Digital Media Assistant at Quest Integration. Here at Quest, we believe your career should be more than just the job, and that's why we do business differently. Our employees are our most valuable asset. So let's learn a little bit more about what it's like to work at Quest from one of our Seattle customer service representatives, Alex Minerath. Hey Alex, how's it going?
Corinne, I'm doing great. I wish the weather was doing as well. How about yourself?
Same. Very cold. So Alex, how long have you worked at Quest and what do you do?
I've been working at Quest since I was about 8 years old. My first position here was professional envelope stuffer. Since my full-time position, I've been here about a year for customer service. I work with the rest of the team helping out our customers' needs and helping out on specific projects, specifically in education. I'm not traditionally trained in engineering or manufacturing. Thanks to an amazingly overqualified team, I got up to speed so much faster than I thought I would be able to, and now I'm just part of a qualified team doing what we do all across the huge Pacific Northwest with so many different customers, doing so many different things. It's been a great experience doing what I do over here at Quest with some wonderful people.
And how does your job fit your lifestyle?
Thanks to Quest being able to be so flexible, I was able to choose from any sort of living styles across the Pacific Northwest, anywhere from Bozeman, Montana, over into the Tri-Cities of Washington, all the way over to the Emerald City over here in Western Washington. This is my favorite city in all the US, and I'm so glad that my work opportunity was able to get me where I wanted to live.
What do you like most about the Quest culture?
I think one more thing I can say that's critical to me being happy here at my job at Quest is to truly find out the meaning of team and not company. This is a team of individuals. You're not limited to your job role. You're not limited to your place in the company. You show that you're competent. You show that you're working hard and you do what you do well. You can go anywhere here at Quest Integration.
Alex, I couldn't have said it better myself. I know you're busy, so thanks again for talking with me today.
Absolutely, Corinne. Not a problem. Talk to you soon.
If you'd like to join our team, you can learn more about our open positions and apply on our website, qintegration.com. We look forward to meeting you.